Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Stick a bunny in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van. Cause if you are the best uns but you don't ask questions, then brother, I'm your man. Cause where it all comes from is a mystery. It's like the changing of the seasons and the tides of the sea. But here's the one what's driving me berserk. Why do only fools and horses work? La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la.
Rubber collected it and stuff. Collected this plastic box. Collected that one. Collected those shears. Collected this other box with it scrapping. And that's it. And a bit of scrap collected. And I sort all this out again. I just moved that blue bike out way. Put the flatbed over there. Put the boxes at the top of the bin. Put that wheelbarrow with the sack trolley. Then I'm going to get all scrap down there. I do that when I can because I've got more stuff to do. My brother collected some hoovers. He collected 3. He's kept 1 because it works. And I got 2 here, just a salt one. That one has just ain't got the, that and the sucker. This just got the whole thing to it, but technically not that bit. Because this is a Hairspray Life. That's a 5 power, that power 5. Yeah. This is the rest. I've got the cables with them. Yeah. So yeah. Go down to my warning. To reduce the risk of electric shock, do not use outdoor or on wet surfaces. Poorer requires less thanks, that's why I can't read it properly. Caution: if cleaner shuts off, turn switch off and unplug cleaner. Locate blockage and remove. Wait 30 minutes for until to cool. Plug in unit and turn off. Yeah. What properly I would go at first is, whilst I put this one at top, I want to see that one first, but I thought whilst this one at top, I'll just do all screw for probably there's nothing up there, but it's all worth it to take all screw off, even it's all down here or something. So I'll just, unplug it, yeah. I'll take every bit of screw from top to bottom, and yeah. I'll take every bit of screw what's in my hand, what I see, from top to bottom. Yeah. Same as that one. Well, there's the other Hoover, but guess what? It looks like he's used it, look. Well, guess what he's done? can't see. What's it, guys? It took it apart. Yeah. Took it apart. There's the cable. There's the plug. Don't know what he's done with the motor. So it looked like he used it, then you know, took it apart. So this is the video where yeah. This bike needs repairing. Bearings are gone. So what plastic waste is going to get chucked in the bin. Cable is going to get put to one side. The plug, that's going to get chucked into scrap. And that's it. And that's the fuse for the plug. That's the plug. Yeah, the boys already took it apart. Yeah, there's the motor. Yeah, not a big motor, that's it. Right guys, see you on the next one. And I'll take apart the 2 vacuum cleaners. The other 2. Motor. These were attached. It was a bit hard to come off. So what I've done is see how far I can get unscrew this. They weren't fully off. So I got the cutters, yeah, and cutted it. Because when that were that side, I cut it on plastic. Like, you know, I cutted it that way. Or thing broke, and I thought, then I'll rest it underneath, see if it lifts up. It wants to unscrew fully, so I unscrewed it. Yeah. Star sit one. Yeah. So constantly kept on unscrew. Yeah. Till it popped off. Yeah. Bit of brass in it. But yeah. Sent it over. But now, it was popping away when I was going like that. It was difficult to come off lot. Yeah. So I pushed it back in. Yeah. I just went, right, will it go back in? So I went, right, line it up. Like that. Yeah. And then I thought, why is that not coming out? Turned it round. I did have it off. Then I put it back on this video. So I just got the spanner. And I go, right, run like that. And I go, why is it constantly getting, you know, twist. Because time I undoing that bolt, yeah, see if it'll go back on one, yeah. So what I did is over the motor. I haven't got it fully. Now that's undone. Yanked it up, and there you go. Because this little bit come out on it somehow, but yeah, that's the bearing. No one is, they can just slide off. But yeah, there you go. And then just for that was just getting scrap steel. Yeah. In bits inside. That might be aluminium, but I'm not messing about taking plastic off. So that will get separated. They're going plastic with brass. That could probably easily come apart. Yeah. Yeah. So I had this in the video. Scrap collecting, vacuums, taking apart, vacuum cleaner, motor. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you shortly. See you again. And goodbye for now.